This video will show you how to uninstall TeamViewer in a few simple steps. While there are legitimate reasons for using TeamViewer, this video is for when scammers use this program to gain remote access to your computer. Now let's get those scammers off your personal computer or laptop. Step 1. Disconnect your computer from the internet. Doing this prevents the scammer from seeing what you're doing. Step 2. Type remove in the search area of your taskbar. It's the one with the magnifying glass as seen here. Then choose the option that says Add or Remove Programs. Step 3. In the Apps and Features window, under the name column, look for TeamViewer. Step 4. Click on TeamViewer once and you will see an option to uninstall. Step 5. Click on Uninstall and a new window will appear and you must click Yes in order to continue uninstalling TeamViewer. Step 6. After you've clicked on Yes, you will see a new window that says Uninstall TeamViewer and a little box for you to check off to also remove TeamViewer settings. You will then click on the box that says Uninstall. Step 7. TeamViewer will now be uninstalled from your computer. It is now safe to turn your internet back on and connect with your computer. You don't have to answer this survey from TeamViewer. Just close it. Following these steps as outlined, you will be able to disable the access a scammer has to your computer. Keep in mind, as long as your internet connection is on, the scammer will be able to see everything you're doing. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you share it. Thanks so much for watching.